Today, we will be going over how to install the T3310 tie downs for your Toyota Tacoma. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving the video a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. To start, use a pry tool to remove the plastic plugs from the rear of the vehicle's frame. On the passenger side, use 2 bolts with a flat washer on each one and place them through the tie down and the frame. Next, secure the bolts to the frame with the rest of the appropriate hardware. Then, place a plate washer onto a 1/2-inch bolt and run the bolt through the bed support and upper hole on the tie down. Secure the upper bolt with the rest of the hardware. Lastly, torque all your hardware to 90 foot-pounds. Moving to the driver's side, you will first need to unclip the harness and leave it hanging during the install. The process is the same on the driver's side as it is on the passenger, so simply repeat the process as before. Once the tie down is secure to the truck, use the supplied zip ties to secure the driver's side plug harness. When you are ready to use your tie downs, simply slide the insert into place and secure it with the provided pin.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.